smile. Oh, you're trying to draw again? Okay, what are you going to draw? What's that?
Draw.
Let me try as well. Let me draw something. Hipusa sa ninyo yung diaper dong. Alright, let's wait for your brother. Oh, your
But
brother's here.
I'm drawing. A
Oh, you're
pig is
drawing.
drawing everyone I never seen yet.
Ambi na cellphone ba? Ambi ang cellphone. Alright, hello, very good evening.
Recording in progress.
Come on,
In progress.
Alright, how are you, baby Rick? What did you do? Why are you guys late? What did you do? Why are you guys late? Did you watch football again?
No.
Oh, no? But what did you do?
See?
What did you do?
There's a bit different from my house.
Okay. All right, so now, baby Kai and Rick, are you guys ready to start with our class today? Guys, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Actually, today will be our last day of our class as you finished your package already. So I'm gonna miss you guys. All right. Okay, so now can you see my screen right now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we are going to talk about the country mouse and the little city mouse and the country mouse. But before we start, I will be playing again the audio and later on I will be asking you some questions, okay?
Okay.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, and here, and here you go.
Page 138. Read City Mouse and Country Mouse.
City Mouse lives in the city. There are too many people and cars here. I want some fresh air. I can visit my cousin, Country Mouse, he says.
Teacher,
Yes, baby.
I can see the word.
Well,
I can see the word.
you cannot see the word? Okay, wait, let me
No,
try
I
to share
can't
it
see the
again.
word.
Okay, wait. Let me try to share it again, okay? How about that? Can you see it now?
Yes.
City
All right,
Mouse,
okay.
No?
page 138. Read City Mouse and Country Mouse.
City Mouse lives in the city. There are too many people and cars here. I want some fresh air. I can visit my cousin, Country Mouse, he says. City Mouse flies to the country. Country Mouse runs to him. Hello, City Mouse! Welcome to my home! Thanks, Country Mouse, says City Mouse. I'm hungry. What's for dinner? They go to the cornfield and eat some corn. Then they go to the orchard and eat some apples. This food is okay, but it's too plain for me, says City Mouse. It's bedtime and they're tired. They sleep in an old barn. The next morning, they walk to the pond. The country is okay, but it's too boring for me, says City Mouse. Come with me to the city. It's interesting there. Okay, says Country Mouse. City Mouse and Country Mouse take a train to the city. They go to a movie theater, a department store, and a restaurant. They eat cheese and cookies. This food is okay, but it's too fancy for me, says Country Mouse. It's bedtime, and they're tired. They sleep in a new hotel. The next morning, they hear a loud noise. Cats, run! Says City Mouse. City Mouse and Country Mouse run and run until they are safe. The city is okay, but it's too dangerous for me, says Country Mouse. Come with me to the country. It's safe there. No, the country is good for you, and the city is good for me, says City Mouse. The two mice say goodbye and go home happy.
All right. Okay, so now, okay, wait for me, baby. Wait for me.
Hey.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, ma, kung gamit kay katong gumo, katong gikon gapon ba? Cellphone.
Hi. Look.
Kuan good kay hinay man og signal. Dakop-dakop.
What are you talking? What are you talking about?
All right, so now, baby, as you can see, we have here understand, comprehension. What do you like about the story? So you need to put a check mark. And what do you like about the story? Okay? Ah, ah. All right, so baby, hello. Hello, baby Kai. Hello, baby Rick, can you hear me? Hi. I cannot hear you guys. Are you still there?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So what you are going to do is I need you to put a check mark on what do you like about. Okay. Who's that? Is that Kai? Okay. How about you, baby Rick? Okay. How about you, baby Rick? Okay. How about you, baby Rick? Where is your answer? Okay. How about you, baby Rick? Is that your answer? How about you, baby Kai? Where is your answer?
Her.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's okay. Okay, that's okay.
Nine.
Uh-huh.
9.
Okay, so now baby Kai and baby Rick, who says welcome to my home? Okay, so Kai? Oh, what's that? I cannot see the screen. Okay, Kai, I want you to answer number 1. And I want you to answer Baby Rick number 2, okay? And I will answer number 3, okay? Are you guys ready? Ready,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now. Number 1, Baby Kai. Number 2, Baby Rick. Oh, Baby Rick is so lag. What happened? What happened, baby? Why are you so lag? Okay, how about you, Baby Rick? Oh, where's Baby Rick, Baby Kai? Is he there? Okay, okay. All right, very good. Uh-huh, thank you so much. So now, how about this one?
Teacher,
Yes,
I
baby.
can't see your screen.
Maybe try to share something. That's why you cannot see my screen. Okay, how about that? Can you see it now?
Still no.
Still no? How about you, Baby Kai? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, maybe the problem is on your device, Baby Rick. Can you try to check it for me?
Okay. Hmm.
Or maybe
Maybe I
let's
should.
try for to ask your mom. Okay, I will message your mom first.
Wait. What's
Okay, so
this?
Baby Kai and Baby Rick, what you're going to do is I need you to answer exercise letter C. How are country mouse and city mouse different? Complete the chart. So, Baby Rick, I want you to answer the country mouse, and Baby Kai, I want you to answer the city mouse, okay?
Okay.
Are you guys ready? Ready, babies?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now.
Finish.
No, 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 no. This one, baby, exercise letter C already. This one. Okay, stop trying to draw something on the screen.
Mickey Mouse or 100 Mouse? Where? Oh.
Okay, baby Rick, country mouse, baby Kai, city mouse, okay?
I'm 100 Mouse. 100 Mouse.
Uh-huh. Yes, the country mouse. You're the country mouse. Okay na, ma. Oh. Okay, where are your answer, baby Kai and baby Rick?
What? Hey. One is
Uh-huh. The country mouse is baby Rick. The city mouse is baby Kai, okay?
okay.
Ready?
Finish.
Oh, not yet. how can you say finish when you don't write it here? Exercise letter C, everyone. Okay?
See?
Okay, yes, letter C.
I'm looking. Is
Country mouse and city mouse.
good.
Okay, how about you, Baby Rick? Oh, where's Baby Rick? Why Baby Rick is not here? Okay, is Rick not here?
Rick is going somewhere.
Is Rick here, baby? Where's Baby Rick? Okay, Rick is here. What happened, Baby Rick?
Rick is up. Now he's back. He's back.
What happened? All right, so Baby Rick, answer your part. We have here country mouse, okay?
Sorry.
All right, that's okay, no problem.
Where's my pen?
Okay, your country mouse.
It's
Okay, what are the... So we have already Baby Kai. Baby Kai is already done. We have the city mouse, fancy, good, and not good. How about you, Baby Rick? Not good. What else?
plain.
Plain. What else?
Plain.
Who likes the food? Not good.
What's that called?
Pain. Why is it pain? Why is it pain?
The plain.
All right. Okay, okay.
Once
All
is
right,
not
so
good.
now Baby Kai and Baby Rick, since our time is done, thank you so much for your time today. I hope to see you again more in our next upcoming classes. Bye bye for today. See you. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, baby.